it is, our little frog. Kind of hard to see, but he's just floating there. Look, he's wearing sunglasses. That out. That's amazing.
Is he alive?
Yeah.
How can you tell? He's not moving.
Alright, so we're trying to figure out if this frog is dead or alive. It's not moving. There's a bubble came up. Maybe it's breathing. Is it dead? You want to scare it? It's not moving. Maybe it is dead.
Because frogs have to be able to breathe. They can't breathe forever underwater, can they?
Have a stick? Kind of rude, but... Oh my gosh, I think it's dead. Well, let's pull it out slowly. I want to video this. Oh, that's sad.
He's drowned.
Look at it. We're going to pull it out. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. I like frog legs, but I don't think I'd want to eat him. Can you bring him out so I can get a picture?
Leave him there, honey. I think you should leave him in the water.
No, I want to get him out.
It won't dry out as fast.
Alright, so I guess a note to self, if a frog doesn't move after 5 minutes, you know there's probably something going
Use a
on.
bigger stick.
Okay, that's good. I'm just video it here. No. That one eye looks like it doesn't work. Okay, well, let's see if we can get him out. There we go. Oh, perfect. There he is. This frog is dead.
They're amphibians.
The flies are coming around. Alright. Okay, I guess we'll finish going on our walk. I think that at our age we'd be playing with frogs.